20 best love quotes for her to get her back. In the delicate realm of love, words possess a profound ability to heal wounds, reignite passions, and bridge chasms between hearts. For those seeking to rekindle the flame with a beloved partner, expressing sentiments of affection and longing through eloquent prose can serve as a potent catalyst for reconciliation. Here, we present a curated selection of 20 captivating love quotes designed to touch the soul and evoke cherished memories, fostering a pathway to reignited romance. 1. In your absence, my heart finds solace only in the echoes of your laughter and the whispers of your name. 2. Let the echoes of our laughter and the whispers of our shared dreams be the melody that guides you back to me. 3. In the tapestry of life, your absence weaves an intricate pattern of longing, reminding me of the beauty we once shared. 4. Like a compass seeking true north, my heart unfailingly gravitates towards the magnetic pull of your love. 5. Though miles may separate us, the ethereal bond of our love transcends distance, binding us together in spirit and soul. 6. In the vast expanse of time, my love for you remains an immutable constant, steadfast and unwavering. 7. In the gallery of my memories, your image is etched in hues of love, a masterpiece I yearn to behold once more. 8. Like a phoenix rising from the ashes, let our love be reborn anew, igniting the flames of passion that once consumed us. 9. With every beat of my heart, I serenade the echoes of our love, a symphony of longing that crescendos in your absence. 10. In the silence of night, I find solace in the whispered promises of tomorrow, where our love shall once again dance in the light of dawn. 11. Though the seas may rage and storms may howl, the beacon of my love shines unwavering, guiding you back to the shores of my heart. 12. Like a rare gem glistening in the sun, your presence illuminates the darkest corners of my soul, casting aside shadows of doubt and despair. 13. In the tapestry of our love, every thread tells a story of passion and devotion, weaving a narrative of timeless affection. 14. Like a symphony composed in the key of love, our hearts beat in harmony, creating melodies of longing that echo through eternity. 15. In the labyrinth of life, you are the guiding star that leads me back to the shores of your love, where I find sanctuary in your embrace. 16. Though the winds of change may blow, my love for you remains an unwavering fortress, steadfast and resolute. 17. In the silence of night, I find solace in the whispered promises of tomorrow, where our love shall once again dance in the light of dawn. 18. Like a phoenix rising from the ashes, let our love be reborn anew, igniting the flames of passion that once consumed us. 19. With every beat of my heart, I serenade the echoes of our love, a symphony of longing that crescendos in your absence. 20. In the tapestry of our love, every thread tells a story of passion and devotion, weaving a narrative of timeless affection. In the realm of romance, the art of expression holds unparalleled significance. These love quotes, imbued with heartfelt emotion and profound longing, serve as a testament to the enduring power of love to conquer all obstacles and reunite kindred souls. May they inspire you to embark upon a journey of reconciliation, where the echoes of affection pave the way for a future illuminated by the light of love. Did you know you can use a simple reverse psychology technique to make your ex want you back? Visit the link below in the description to learn more.